Your heart is always speaking to you, but it doesn't always speak through your chest. Before shortness of breath, before fatigue, before chest pressure or dizziness, there is a quieter signal that appears first, in your legs. Most people ignore it, and by the time they recognize what it was, the condition has already progressed. Today, we're going to uncover that early warning sign, how to identify it, why it happens, and most importantly, what you can start doing today to protect your heart, your circulation, your mobility, and your independence. Strong hook. If your calves feel heavy, tight, achy, or tired after short walking, or if you notice your legs feel cold, even when the room is warm, this may be your heart sending the first message that your blood flow is weakening. This is not just aging. This is circulation strain. And when we improve circulation to the legs, we directly reduce strain on the heart. Your calves are like the second heart of your body. They push blood back upward toward the chest. If they become weak or stiff, your heart has to work twice as hard. So the earliest sign of heart weakness is actually calf weakness and calf discomfort. Why this matters? Seniors who improve circulation in the legs often notice a less joint stiffness, a warmer hands and feet, a better walking endurance, a easier breathing, improved sleep quality, a better brain clarity. Because when the blood flows better, everything improves. And the best part, you don't need gym equipment. You don't need supplements. Just simple daily techniques that help your calves pump more blood back to the heart. Step-by-step guide to restore circulation and strengthen your second heart. 1. The chair heel lift, 3 minutes per day. Sit in a chair with feet flat. Keep the toes on the ground and lift your heels up slowly, then lower. Do 20 slow lifts. Rest. Repeat twice. What this does? This activates your calf muscle pump, improving blood return to the heart without strain. Caution. If you have severe leg swelling or are recovering from heart surgery, start with 10 reps and increase gradually. 2. The calf stretch against wall, 1 minute per leg. Stand facing a wall. One leg in front, one behind. Bend your front knee slightly and lean forward. You'll feel a stretch in the calf of the back leg. Hold 45 to 60 seconds. Switch sides. What this does? It lengthens stiff calf muscles that restrict blood flow and walking stability. Important. Do not bounce. Hold steady, breathe smoothly. 3. Evening warm water leg soak, 7 to 10 minutes. Warm water helps expand blood vessels and relax tension in the calf muscles. Fill a bucket or tub with comfortably warm water. Soak the lower legs for 7 to 10 minutes before bed. Benefits. It reduces nighttime calf cramps. Improves blood circulation. It promotes restful sleep.
If today's video helped you, please give a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss the next science-backed tip designed to help you live better, longer, and pain-free. We have so much more to share about staying active, aging gracefully, and keeping your body strong. Until next time, stay healthy, stay hopeful, and keep taking care of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.